Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. I have an unboxing today. I don't have a ton of time, but I wanted to get into this bag, so I thought I would film it. This is actually the third purchase of this bag. The first two, I'll just move that out of the way. The first two had a few issues with it, so I didn't go to the store to pick this one up. My husband did. He has more time than me during the week, so he went, looked it over, and we'll see. We'll see if it's up to par. Okay, let's get into it. And I'll explain the, once I have the bag out, I'll explain the issues that the first two had. Okay. Can anyone guess what it is? It is the Papillon. Oh, well, this one still has the stickers on, so I'm happy about that. Oh, much better. All right, I'm just looking at the glazing around some of the leather pieces. The first one that I received, my husband did go and pick up at the store, and when I opened it at home, in 2 or 3 areas, I can't remember exactly, because there were so many things that I felt wrong with the bag that no one of them stood out. But the glazing was coming off in several areas. So this one looks really good so far. Super happy with that. A little bit, okay. All right, let's open it. All right, so inside is the chain strap. And the larger strap, I don't know why they wrapped the strap up and put it in there. And this one looks good on the inside too. And it still has the plastic on this also. I really like that. The first two I received did not have that. So another thing, the first one I received had the glazing issue, and then it had a black line that was right here on the inside. When we returned it, they said it might have been from the strap, putting it in here, making that mark, but what on the strap would leave a black mark? You can make the argument that maybe the glazing on the strap did it, but the glazing doesn't just rub off like that. So I don't know why it had a black mark. What was the other issue? There was one more thing with the first one came with these two and didn't have the metal strap. So my husband took it back to the store. They didn't have another one. They ordered one. I'm not sure if the one they ordered came from another store or if it came from online. But that one, this part right here was sunken in. The bag seemed perfect except for that. It was not rounded right here where you can see this is round. It was flat, like it was pushed in on both sides. So this flap kind of stuck out more just because, or gave the illusion of sticking out more because this was flatter. I was just going to live with it, thinking that maybe it was just in my head, but I decided Just have my husband take it back, see what they say. Because I decided I couldn't live with it. If that's the way the bag was, then I didn't want it. So he took it back yesterday. They had another one in store, which was this one, which seems to be brand new. And it's not sunken in here. And they agreed that that one that I turned in seemed to be like malformed from, they assumed it was from shipping, but they didn't know. But this one seems to be in great condition. So really happy about that. And if you've watched any videos about the bag, you know that this one comes with 2 hooks on both sides, so you can attach both straps at one time. I don't know how I will be wearing it most of the time. I loved the shorter strap. That's kind of like what I go for, shorter straps nowadays, as opposed to cross bodies. So we'll see if in the future I can buy a shorter strap that's not metal. But so this is what this one looks like. And you can also have it hang down. I could put it on the lower one, or I can put the crossbody. Actually, when I was trying on the ones that I previously received, I've never even put on the crossbody strap because I just wasn't interested in it. But let's just see. Okay, so it's pretty stiff, which is fine. And it's not buckled. How do we do this? Oh, it's on backward. No? Yeah, it is. Okay. Have to put it through. Oh, the strap also, the buckle and the strap still also has the plastic on it also. I like that. I know part of their service is to prepare the bag for you, ready to wear, but I like when they leave it up to me as to when I want the plastic off. Let's see. It's fine. Now, if I were to wear the crossbody strap, I don't think I would have this hanging. But to me, that's just, that's very fussy for my, this is not bad. I mean, it will take some getting used to. I do think this strap is a bit thick for the size bag, but it's nice. So what I have here, what got me interested in this bag is that I own the Papillon 26. I actually own 2 of them. I bought one for my daughter, and sometimes she's very young, but when we've gone out to dinner for her birthday and she wore it. She was super happy about it. So these are the Papillon 26s. Let's see. So this one kind of goes in, has an indentation in, and this side kind of puffs out. So when I set it on this one, it doesn't really stay up. I have them both stuffed with their dust bags and some paper stuffing. But let's see. So in comparison to the 26, it's quite a bit smaller. So I guess this would be a better comparison would be the smaller Papillons. Maybe were they the 19s, the Papillon 19s? And so I love these bags so much. Honestly, I don't use them that much, but I just love the idea of them so much that I was searching online for the Papillon 19. Well, there aren't that many available, and the ones that are available are, at this point where the video is being made, they're about $2,000 and above. I did find one that was less expensive. I think it's probably been snapped up by now because I found it like a month ago. But by the time I had found that purse, I already got pretty interested in this one. And then I started thinking, what a unique version of this bag this is, because it's also a trunk, right? So I liked that about it. I own one other trunk. It's kind of like sticking a little bit because the plastic is still on it. I own one other trunk that is a jewelry box. And if you look back at my previous videos, you will see I have a jewelry box in my videos, but it's not the same one I own now. That one I have since sold, and I received another one for, it was a birthday gift. My husband got it as a birthday gift. So that is it. I'm very happy with the one that I received this time around, and I think this is a keeper. I'm really excited. The other two experiences were pretty disappointing. So the fact that this one also feels brand new, where the other ones, of course, with the black mark on the interior, and then the other one, the chain didn't come in a bag. See, this chain even still has the plastic on the clasp here. And also these chains. I know a lot of people don't go into detail about them, but this also says LV right on there, and on both sides it does. So both sides it says LV on both ends. And then these little rivets also have what does it say on them? It says Louis Vuitton on the rivets, not the ones on the ends. The ones on the ends are smooth and have no writing on them. This has writing, this has writing, has no writing, no writing, 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 no writing. These also have no writing on them. Oh, another thing, with the last one I received, one of the sides, I'm just going to unbuckle this so I can kind of position it to show you guys. I felt like the bag was further down on one side. So like, it was just crooked. It was crooked. There's no other way to put it, I guess. When it was closed, it was crooked. One side hung down lower. So not only was it pushed in right here, one side hung down lower. But this one seems to be so much better. I'm just happy with it. This strap makes it more casual, which I like. So if I wanted to dress it up just a little, I can use the chain strap. Let me see. Let me do something. I'm just wondering. Not that I would ever do this, but I just want to see, like, if I put the strap on this bag. Okay, you would have to go across with it, which is super awkward. Super awkward. I don't even see any reason in doing that. But here's the size comparison between the two. That's about it. I'm glad I got it unboxed, so now I can use it today. It's exciting. All right. Well, thank you for joining me today, and until next time, bye.